Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Jennifer Bowman from Olympia Piano, and this short video, Harmonization 101, is going to give you some tools for adding chords to a melody. Because this is basic harmonization, in today's video we will be dealing with harmonization using a major scale. This video has a free worksheet and the link for the download is in the description. I think you'd probably get the most out of this video if you're able to download the worksheet and fill it out with me as we go along. Each scale has a series of chords called diatonic chords that are created by using the notes in that particular scale. So for a major scale, here are the diatonic chords. I'm just using the scale notes and it creates different harmonies, major, minor, or diminished. So now what we're going to do is create the chords of the major scale and fill out all of the places where we encounter the syllables in the chords. So I'll show you what I mean. So we start with Do. Do is the first note of the scale. It's also known as the one or the tonic. And we're going to create the chord by taking every other note of the scale. So we're going to skip Re, and we're going to do Do, Mi, and So. And that's our one chord. And you can hear right away it's a major chord, major third on the bottom, minor third on top. So what I just did is I took Do, Mi, So in the scale. I skipped every other one. We're going to draw that chord right here. That's going to be an uppercase 1, draw the line, same distance as the other lines in the staff. Now, the other members of this chord are Mi and So. So I'm going to draw this same one chord over here because it could also harmonize with a melody that had a Mi in it. And similarly, the other syllable is So. So I'm going to put that one chord over here as well. Now I'm going to go through this procedure for all of the rest of the syllables. Re. Our 2 chord is minor. We've got a minor third on the bottom, major third on top. So I'm going to put that over here in the Re column. Minor 2 gets lowercase Roman numerals. That tells us that it's minor. So I'm also going to put this 2 chord. The members are Re, Fa, La. So the 2 chord's going to go over here. Next chord member, Mi. Mi, So, Ti. Minor third on the bottom, major third on the top. This is a minor chord. Mi, So, Ti. So I'm going to put it here, Mi on the bottom. Okay, Fa. Fa, La, Do. Major third on the bottom, minor third on the top. Our 4 chord is major, so I'll put that Fa category. Fa, La, Do. It's going to get an uppercase Roman numeral 4. Okay, our next chord is So, Ti, Re. Major third on the bottom, minor third on the top. So our 5 chord is a major chord. And let's fill that in. So we've got I just want to mention here, there's another syllable that can go with this 5 chord. We can add another note stacked on top of the 5 chord and create what's called a dominant 7 chord. 7th, the interval of 7th here. And this is very commonly used, so I'm going to include it in this video without going into it further than that. But if you see this top syllable here is Fa. So this 5 chord could also go with the Fa. So if we have So, Ti, Re, Fa. It's a 4-note chord called a 5/7, and I'm going to include that because you might encounter Fa and have the 5 chord sound good with it. Put the chord right here, And so the syllable fa is actually going to have 4 options. Everyone else is going to have 3. But I'm going to note that it's a 5-7 chord. And you can use this 5-7 chord in place of any of the 5s as well. So the 5 could go with re, fa, so, and ti. Okay, moving on to the 6th chord. La, do, mi. That's our 6th chord. Minor 3rd on the bottom, major 3rd on top. Let's fill that one out. So put that in the la category. And finally, our 7 chord, ti, re, fa. Minor 3rd on the bottom, minor 3rd on the top. This is called a diminished chord. 2 minor 3rds stacked on top of each other. Let's put it ti. And the way this is written, it's lowercase, and then the little circle tells us it's a diminished chord. So we've got ti. So now, on the bottom of this worksheet, we're just going to go through and put the Roman numerals that go with each syllable. Remember, this is just basic harmonization. So do, we have 1 chord, 1, 4, and 6, and we'll just fill them all out. All right, thank you for watching this short video on the Solfege Chord Finder, Basic Harmonization 101. What we've just done is we've gone through major scale, found the diatonic chords that sound good with each syllable. So if your melody has a do in it, you might harmonize it with a 1 chord. You might harmonize it with a 4 chord or a 6 chord, and so forth. So the bottom part of this worksheet is going to be really valuable if you're trying to play in any key, because you can just look and see what chords might sound good with that melody note. So as always, I appreciate you watching, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I have an upcoming series on Christmas songs that we're going to use these chords we just created and apply it to an actual melody. I love to hear what you're working on, so please write to me in the comments. Let me know if you have any questions or you'd like to see any videos. And as always, thank you for watching.